Celebrating you, unveiling the heart of appreciation. Hello and welcome, friends. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase in the English language, to celebrate you. This phrase is all about appreciation, recognition, and joy. So, if you're ready to explore and embrace the warm feelings this phrase can bring, let's get started. The phrase, to celebrate you, is a unique and powerful expression. It's not just about throwing a party. It's about acknowledging and appreciating someone's presence, achievements, or qualities. When someone says they want to celebrate you, it means they see something wonderful in you and want to take the time to honor that. To celebrate you can be used in various contexts. It might be a special occasion like a birthday or a promotion, or it could be for no specific reason at all, just a way to show someone they're valued. You can celebrate someone through words of affirmation, thoughtful gifts, or by spending quality time with them. The key is the intention to highlight and appreciate the unique qualities of the individual. Celebrating someone can have a profound impact. It boosts self-esteem, strengthens relationships, and creates lasting memories. When you celebrate someone, you're not just recognizing their achievements or qualities. You're also nurturing a positive environment where love and respect flourish. And that, dear friends, wraps up our journey into the heartwarming phrase, to celebrate you. Remember, celebration is a powerful tool for connection and appreciation. So, go ahead, spread the joy, and celebrate the wonderful people in your life. Until next time, keep learning and keep celebrating.